So there are times when you are trying to apply for a scholarship and you come across the instruction of the call for the application in another language which you don't understand. And so for you to level the playground, you need to translate that document into English language, which you are very proficient in. And one of the way I do that, which I found to be very, very amazing, and which will require you to not to pay any dime, because I know there are other applications which you can use to transcribe only a few pages for free, but then they will now require you to pay or subscribe with payments to do the whole document. But I found a more efficient way of doing it, free of charge, because as a student you need to lower your spending or expenses in some way. So this way I found very efficient. And the way you do it is that most of the call for application is usually in PDF form, so you have to just download it. I've downloaded it, this is it. So I've uploaded it on my Google Drive. So in your Google Drive, you just open it, and after you open it, you open with Google Docs. You try to open it with Google Docs. So after it has finished loading in Google Docs, you just come to tools and you will see this translate document. So of course if you have a Google account, you already have a Google Docs, just go there, and then under tools you will see this translate document. So you click on translate document and then you choose a language. For me, you see there are a lot of languages you can choose, you can translate to, but for me I'm going with English language, right? And then I choose translate, and immediately you see it is now in English language. It is now in English language, and I can now read and understand better what the call for application is. So this is a simple way of how you can translate from one document to another, even if it is from to Hausa to any. So far you can have that document here. So Africans, Albanian, Chinese, Czech, Japanese, Italian, Irish, Korean, Latin, any language you want. Zulu, you see there's even Yoruba. Wow, I'm sure there's Hausa as well, Swahili, Somali, anything at all. And that is the end of today's Hausa. So that's the end of today's one. So please go and enjoy.